Hey guys, today we're going to replace the reverse lights on our 2020 4runner. Seen some good reviews on both of these lights, the alla or the auxito. So we're going to try them. The stock halogen lights on these are terrible. The review camera looks great during the day, backing up, no problem. But at night it's super grainy and you can't see anything. So we're going to go ahead and do a super fast installation. It's very easy, so it should just take a couple minutes. Okay, here's the two bulbs. This is the auxito. It has three big chipsets facing to the rear, and then 6 on each side. The alla has 12 chips on each side, and then 6 on the rear. So it should be interesting to see the difference in the light output. Okay, so in the back of the 4runner, you're going to have a panel on each side. You just take a little pry tool, just get this started, pop off. And the reverse light is this lower one. It's actually the third in the row, but the other one is up. The first one is up here. So just like most of the other lights here, you just turn it to the left. Pull it out. Undo the bulb. It's a spade type. Okay, so we're going to try the auxito on the passenger side. And you just want to slide this back until it clicks. And glue it back in to the hole. And then just twist it back into place. And then reverse order. And that's it. We'll do the same on the other side with the alla. Normally I wouldn't do 2 different bulbs just to try them out, but since it's so easy to do the installation or removal, I'll go ahead and see which ones we like better. All right, they're in. Cover back on. Main thing is just getting it brighter so whenever we back up, we can actually see in the camera. As always, thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.